Kapapasok lang na balita mga idol, pinarangalan na po ng Philippine Sports Writers Association PSA ang reynang Premier Volleyball League First All-Filipino Conference Most Valuable Player and Premier Volleyball League Second All-Filipino Conference Finals MVP na si Tots Carlos o Diana May Tots Carlos bilang Miss Volleyball ngayong taon. Kasama sa mga nag-receive ng awards ni Tots Carlos ang kanyang naggagandahang mga teammates sa Creamline Cool Smashers na sina Alyssa Valdez, Gemma Galanza, Kyle Negrito and Michelle Gumabaw na kasamang dumalo sa gabi ng parangal ng Philippine Sports Writers Association PSA Award ni Tots Carlos. Nanalo na rin ng back-to-back Most Valuable Player Award si Tots Carlos noong 2022 Premier Volleyball League Open Conference and 2022 Premier Volleyball League PVL Invitational Conference at last year 2022 ay nakakuha din si Tots Carlos ng back-to-back Best Opposite Spiker Awards. Si Tots Carlos ay dating magagaling na player ng University of the Philippines Lady Fighting Maroons of the University of the Philippines Diliman na kung saan naglalaro siya both indoor and beach volleyball. Samantalang sa ibang istorya naman nagkaroon na ng press conference ang bagong team ng Premier Volleyball League PVL na Capital One Solar Energy na ihahandle ni Coach Roger Gorayev. Ang team ng Capital One Solar Energy franchise ay tatawaging Capital One Power Spikers na kung saan may mga napipili na silang players na maaaring maging line-up nila sa darating na season ng Premier Volleyball League PVL.